things, and then I usually pour juice on my head. Today, I actually have a really fun idea for you guys. I am going to turn this gorgeous bathtub into slime. Are you ready for this? Because I know I am. Alright, I'm getting in. The bottom of it has like all this stuff on it. So I feel like I gotta like mix it all in. Oh, it feels weird. It feels like I'm like a jelly. It feels really weird. Look at that. Oh, it's like, it's literally making slime. Hold on, I gotta like mix it all in. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like it. Picture like sand. That's what I would compare it to, like laying in sand. Now my mom's gonna give me challenges of things to do in this.
A mermaid pose.
Check. This is my mermaid pose.
Pretend you're rowing a boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down. It's getting way thicker.
Yeah, you can see it. It's like jello.
It's getting way thicker. It's so cool. It's a bathtub full of slime. Bubble! Just hang out. Going under.
You might have to rinse her off.
I'll rinse it off, yeah. Well, you can just come in the bathtub with me. It's probably time for your bath anyways. I kind of like it in here.
I can't believe you like it.
Oh yeah, it's really cool actually. I'm about to be a shark, kids. I'm about to be a shark. Dun 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 dun. Oh, see a fish, gotta go. Oh no!
I can't believe this.
It's just so cool. I'm just obsessed with it. I like actually want to go back to the store and buy this stuff. It's like super thick. Like it's actually getting hard to move. Alright you guys, well since this is a JoJo juice, I usually have to do a juice, but honestly, I think this is a juice enough in itself. And I already went under the water, so